Hey guys, my name is Hayden Cassidy and I'm an Andis Global Educator. We're here today at my studio in London in the UK. Today I'm going to show you some of my favourite techniques that have helped me to become a successful barber. I hope you enjoy them and let's create together. In this video we're going to create a 90s style haircut and a skin taper. We're going to take you through a step-by-step on how to achieve this look. Using your Andis Slimline Pro trimmer, remove your desired length in a horizontal square section. Once this is complete, blow dry into shape and start your fade process. Use your Andis US Pro cordless to remove your desired length around the connection area. Next, use your number 4 attachment comb to begin your fade process, removing bulk around the nape and around the edge of the ear. Once we've removed the length with our number 4 attachment comb, we can now start to work with a descending fade method, working down in grades. Next, use your number 3 attachment comb and repeat the same process, a millimetre below the previous step. Ensure you're using your C-shaped motion when reaching the top of the connection point, so that the hair naturally blends. Once that's complete, you can now put on your number 2 attachment comb, open the lever and start to work down again. This technique is really nice to use on tapered haircuts. Now you can use your Andis Slimline Pro GTX edition to create your zero guideline around the nape and the temple. Ensure you take the hair right down to skin to make room for your next step. Next, use your Andis Copper Pro Foil Lithium Titanium Foil Shaver to take the hair right down to zero. This is how I use the corner of the tool so I don't create any lines when using it. Next, use your Andis US Pro cordless clipper to create your next guideline. Your next guideline should be used with your clipper open, creating a line parallel to the zero guideline you've used. To remove the line in between, open and close the lever using the corner of the blade to remove the weight. Now place your number 1 attachment comb and begin your next step. Your next step should be parallel to the previous step to create your fade. Once you've created that step, you can now work down to your 0 attachment comb to remove that line. Again, using the same motion and the corner of the blade to remove any weight and any blemishes in the fade. To connect to the weight that you've just created in the previous descending part of the fade, use your number 2 attachment comb to blend in to skin. Once that's complete, use your 1.5 attachment comb and remove any blemishes that are left in the fade. Once that's complete, you can now start to work on a temple fade. Start the fade by repeating the same process as you did on the nape. Start with your clipper open and begin through your attachment combs. It's important to remember that the area is small, so everything needs to be a little bit more precise than the back of the nape. To do this, I like to use the corner of the blade a lot, which helps me to really work on small areas. Repeat the same on the opposite side and start to refine the blend around the edges. Now you can start to remove the weight on the connection area. To do this, use your reverse fading method with your number 3 attachment comb. Finally, you can start to clean up the edges. We want to keep the edges nice and natural, but we do want to enhance the fade work we've just created. Use your Andis Slimline Pro GTX trimmer to do this. To finish off the blend, you can now start to work clipper over comb with your Andis US Pro cordless. I like to open the lever to create a soft look, especially on dense and straight hair. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you've enjoyed some of the techniques I've shared with you. Enjoy using them in your everyday salon or barbershop, and I hope to see you soon.